Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use Concat in Excel shortcut. So let's start this my Excel, and here you can see I have a two column, first name and last. So here I'm going to join this both column by using the Concat in Excel shortcut. So let's see use the is equal to, use the Concat. Okay. And remove this first bracket and use the shortcut key Control A. And here you see one dialog box is open, function arguments for concat. For text 1, simply select the first name. For text 2, use the space because we want the space in both names when joined together. Give here the space, press the space bar. After that, select the text 3, the last name, okay, and click on the OK. That's it. Here you see the both name joined together with space. But here if you want the uppercase and proper case here in name, so you can just edit this concat function for first text. Use the proper function and add here for A2 and press the enter key. See, the lowercase is converted in uppercase in proper case. Okay. Same for this last name. Use the proper and bracket closed for text 2 B2 and press the enter. See, the lowercase is changed in uppercase as and is set in the proper case. Okay. Simply double click on the corner point of the cell, and here you can see the below cell is formula is automatically placed. You can see the all the lowercase name is automatically converted in proper case. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.